Hey there coder, welcome back to Pycoder. Today is our project on barcode scanner application using Tkinter OpenCV. So I'm going to explain you about this code behind the scenes. This Python course create a real-time barcode scanner application using Tkinter OpenCV and Pygame and Pyzbar library. Let's break down the key component about this. So I have import the various library are imported including Tkinter for graphical user interface and OpenCV for computer vision and Pygame for sound and Pyz for barcode decoding. Pygame Initialization. Pygame is initialized to handle sound and playback. Sound file. The path to sound file is obtained and sound playback function. A function play sound is defined to load up play the sound. Global variables. Global variables are declared for controlling scanning state and storing scanned barcodes. Barcode scanners app and class. A class barcode scanner app encapsulates the application and Tkinter window is initialized with styling. A video stream display, a panel and stop button are created. A separate thread is started for barcode scanning. Barcode scanner functions. The barcode scanner function capture video frames, detect barcodes, and update the Tkinter window with the video stream. Detect barcode, trigger sound bug, sound playback, and are same along with the time span. Stop scanning and save data function. The stop scanning function stop the scanning thread and close the Tkinter window. The save data function. The save data function append scan data time spent to text file. Main execution. The Tkinter windows is created and the barcode scanning thread is started. This application provides user-friendly interface for real-time barcode scanning, incorporating sound feedback and data logging. I hope you like this project. If you want source codes, there is also link in the description. Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you.